Hey everyone, welcome to Weller's channel. Today I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth connection issues in Windows 10 and 11. First, I recommend updating your Bluetooth drivers. To do this, open Device Manager. Find your Bluetooth device, note its model, then search online for the latest driver. Look for your device's name. If that doesn't work, check Settings and Windows Update for any available updates. Your Windows might just need updating. Also, look for additional updates. Check this section too. See, I have a driver update available here. Click, choose the right one, then hit download and install. That's all there is to it. This is Weller signing off. Hope this helped. Take care, everyone.